Thomas with Houston Paint Protection, here with this 2026 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing that just received one of our most comprehensive paint protection packages. The owner of this Cadillac is going to be daily driving it. It's got a lot of speed, it's going to be driven in a spirited manner, so he wanted to make sure his car is protected and will stay looking brand new for many years. So what we did was we put our paint protection film, which is a clear film that helps prevent things like rock chips and other physical damage, on the front end of the car. So all of the front end of the car is covered from the mirrors forward. We also did some other high impact areas like the carbon fiber rocker panels and the painted rocker panels, as well as the carbon fiber diffuser on the rear, so when these sticky tires kick up a bunch of debris, you don't get damage down the side and back of the car. And then after the paint protection film, we did a ceramic coating on the full exterior. And that coating is going to help maintain that new car shine, enhance the gloss, just keep it looking A+ for several years, and help make it easier to wash the car. We also made sure to do the coating over these nice bronze matte finish wheels, so when they get caked up with all that brake dust from these performance brakes, they're super easy to clean. If you've got a new vehicle or a special vehicle to you that you would like to have protected and enhanced, please reach out to us anytime at HoustonPaintProtection.com or swing by the shop and we'll be happy to help you out.